Facing tools. They're a super critical component in the orbital welding process. You're gonna start by cutting your material with a tube saw or something similar, and it's gonna give you a really square cut, but you're gonna be left with a little bit of a burr. And in orbital fusion welding, we don't want a burr, we want a machine finish. That way our joint has no gap. And that's where facing tools come into play. The 300 STS-2 from Tri-Tool will actually face tube all the way up to 2-inch OD, so it has a really wide range. Today we're gonna be doing some 1/2-inch, but this corded version is set up in a tabletop mount. This is detachable, but it's really good for shop applications. That way you always have access to 110. But if you're in the field and you're worried about chasing 110 around the job site or lugging around an extension cord, you've got your cordless option here. Now, these come with 2 batteries and a charger, so that way you can swap them in and out as you're working throughout the day. I've got some 1/2-inch 304, and it's got a little bit of a burr on it. I want to take that off so that I can weld it. So I put my material in, I clamp it down, turn my motor on. And that's all I've got to take off. Now looking at it, I've got a nice machined edge ready to be welded. Tri-Tool really knows what they're doing when it comes to facing tools. So again, if you're getting into some orbital applications, don't forget about